Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my second revision class. And the topic that we are going to revise today is verb. Okay, I think it is very easy topic to understand, and the whole lesson for this topic will not be very lengthy. It will be very short. So try to concentrate, try to understand, and try to listen to my lecture very carefully. Okay. At first, we will discuss what is verb. What is verb? So, okay, let's see. A verb is a word that shows action. It means it. Verb is a word, it's a single word that shows action. Action means what someone is doing, what something is doing. Okay, that is called action. That is called action. For example, run, walk, speak, right? Run, walk, speak, then talk, then write, then sleep, then laugh, then smile. Everything that you do that is an action. If that everything is called verb, right? Okay. Now there are different types of verb over there, and these are very important to know about these types of verbs, and at the same time it is very important to understand, okay, which word or which verb is called which type of verb. Okay, this is very important to understand. So let's discuss about the types of the verb. Okay, types of verb. Doing verb, saying verb, thinking verb, having verb, and being verb. Doing verb is very easy. Doing verbs means the actions. Okay, all the actions verb. So these are run, walk, speak. Why these verbs are called doing verbs? Because using this verb, we can express something. We can do something, right? That is why these are called doing verb. Run or running, it means someone is doing something. For example, if I say, Tashrif is walking, Tashrif is running, Tashrif is speaking. So all these of words express someone is doing something, right? That is why these are called doing verbs. Then saying verb. Tell, say, yell, right? Talk, said. These all are what? Saying verb. Tell, it means you are saying something. Say, you are saying something. Yell, you are screaming. Talk, you are talking. And then say, you have said something. So all these are saying verbs. And then thinking verbs. Thinking verb, sometimes people make a mistake in understanding what is the thinking verb. Thinking verb means the action that you are doing mentally. The action that you are doing mentally. For example, you believe something. Okay, you believe something. You cannot express that you believe by doing something, right? By doing that can be seen by any other else. You cannot express it by doing something, but the action that you are believing, it's happening mentally, right? It's happening mentally. Just what you can do, you can say that you believe it, but you cannot show it. It is happening mentally, right? So you believe, you understand something, you believe something, Okay, these all kind of things or this the kind of words are called thinking verb. So believe, understand. Okay. Now next point, think. Okay, think itself. And then having verb. Having verb we use when we want to express what we have or what someone has. Okay, when we have something, we express it by using having verb. Okay, I know or I hope that you already know about the having verbs because you have completed practicing person and number. There we have taught about having verbs. Having verbs are have, has, and the past form of the have, has is had, right? I hope you can remember. So having verbs we use when we try to express what we have or what someone has. Okay, so having verb is have and has. And then being verb. Again, it is also known to you all because you have studied this about this being verb in person and number, right? So being verb are am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. So being verb am, is, are, was, were. When we use this being verb, when we want to express who I am, what I am, who someone is, what someone is, right? Being verb. That means how you are existing. Okay, I am a girl. I am existing as a girl. He is a boy. He is existing as a boy. Right? So, whenever we are trying to express this kind of information, we use being verbs. So, these are all the types of verb. Right? So, I hope you have understood these types of verbs, and also I hope that you have revised all. Right? I have made you understood about all these things. So nothing more we have today to learn because VAR, this chapter is very short for this semester. And what you have to do now, you have to practice the exercises at home and you have to write down the answers of the exercises and then you have to take the picture of your answer and then send me in Viber. Okay, that's it. So stay safe, good luck, and Assalamu alaikum.